Arahami o Omaru. Today I'm introducing a new segment called One Word, Many Meanings. And the first word we have to talk about is Manao. So the word Manao actually is the word for a meaning of anything. The meaning of a song, the meaning of somebody's name. So for instance, I could say, Heaha ka Manao o Kirai noa. What's the meaning of that name? And we use the word Manao. Another meaning we can talk about is that Manao means an idea or a thought. So if I asked for your thought, I could say, Pehea ko Manao. And then you would explain all the wonderful ideas that you have in your mind. Another one is intent. I intended to go with you, or I didn't intend to hurt your feelings and things like that. Manao is also used, yeah? So if you said, I came with the intent to help, you could say, oh, hele mai au, me ka manao e kokua. Kind of a mouthful for some of you. That's also another instance where you can use manao. Moving on to another meaning would be an opinion. Your opinion on any given topic will be manao, and a lot of the times is expressed as iko manao, and then you continue on speaking. Yeah, that's to say, like, in my opinion, yada yada yada, whatever that is. The last one I'll share with you is to consider something. Yeah, so if you're considering hiring somebody, or you're considering moving to a new place or something like that, we also use manao, and you can say something like ke manao ni au, and then you would continue on. Yeah, I'm considering. What exactly? I don't know. That's up to you. So in just the one word, we have a lot of different meanings. And we had to start this segment off with the word manao, because that is the word we use for meaning in Hawaiian. Okay, that wraps it up for this video. What I tell my students all the time is that one word has many meanings. And as you continue to learn, more of those meanings about that word will be added onto your knowledge base. Yeah. So always keep an open mind. When you learn a Hawaiian word, don't think, this is the one and only meaning of the word, and this is the one and only way that it could be translated into another language. One word has many meanings.